Hi, so my name is Akshay Jain, and I just bought my Honda Jazz here to get them new seat covers. So the sales team and Mr. Mangesh Shinde, they helped me thoroughly to select the best cover for my car. So I got the basic ones because I'm not into the jazzy look. So I got the nice and clean seat covers, and the best part is that I dropped my car at 3 o'clock and I got it back at around 7:45. So within a span of 6 hours, you can get your car back. And the best part about the seat covers is the stitch. The stitch quality is at par, and that's why I want to thank Orchis for the wonderful work they've done for my Honda Jazz. See you soon with my next car. Bye.